Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to turn off 24 or save on the Snapchat. So how you can do it, how you can change your chat settings. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat and log into your account. After that go to the chats. Once you will do it, here you have to select the friend with whom you want to change the chat settings. So let's suppose a friend on the top, tap a while on the name of the friend and you will see this type of the option. Simply click on the chat settings and here you will see different options. Simply click on the delete chat. As you can see, this chat is 24 will be deleted after 24 hour. So simply tap on it and click on the after viewing, and now this chat will delete after the other person, or you will view the message. So this is the way to turn off the 24 or save on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.